Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and if I sound tired, I am. We're up, about to go to holiday shopping, Black Friday sales. Darren and I used to do this in South Dakota, and that's how we got our kayaks and stand-up paddle boards and all of that fun stuff. Ken's going with us this morning. He has some holiday shopping to do in his coat. You know, I have to tell you, I bought this coat for my Blythe doll, Ruth. I love this coat. Look how broad. This is one of my favorite Kens. Look how broad he is, and look how nice this coat fits him. This is an AliExpress coat, and look at this. This is an actual zipper. I mean, I could take that all the way up if I wanted. Love this coat. Well, we're going to be off. It's going to be crowded, and Ken does not want Barbie or the Blythes to know where he has gone shopping. So we're going to sign off here. I'm doing this collab with Gosha from Dolls, Trolls, and More, Cynthia from Ambrosia's Dollhouse, and Irene from Irene Huff's Dolly Space. Please go by today and not only see their videos, but if you have a video, also list it in the in my comments so that I don't miss it. The hashtags just don't work anymore, and I want to see your Kens in their coats. Now look, he's too big for the Blythe seat, so he's going to have to ride in the back. Our channel today for the holiday cheer is the Ayla Avar. And you all probably know Ayla, but this is how it works. The holiday cheer is a wonderful thing, and I can't thank you enough for joining in. If you'll go by Ayla's channel, subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment in her last video, the last video that she has done, and also leave a second comment that somewhere in it says holiday cheer. What that does is it ups her a little bit in the algorithm, and it's good for her channel. And we all need to work together, especially in the holidays. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.